When we look back, he wasn't what he seemed. Came into our country, he plotted and he schemed. He made his billions, exploiting others' minds. Until he joined with Donald Trump, he was doing fine. Now we can't trust Elon Musk. He'll try to take over the world. For 130 days we watched his oligarch ways, and getting rid of him will do us good. We better just flush Elon Musk back to Johannesburg for breach of trust. Let him try to mine gold in a diamond mine. Let him try to sell Tesla, oh, to folks who think he's malign.